I'm out here in Seattle on a co-op internship with Primair, and I'm working on the avionics firmware team. My name is Matthew Pham. I'm a software engineering student. I'm in my final year at Monash. As part of the avionics firmware team, my primary role has been working on an internal tool to help them with their configuration of firmware applications.
Matt came up with this really awesome graphical interface that you can pull up, and it gives you all sorts of tooltips and explains to you kind of the process of actually putting together your own project to run on the drone.
So my manager Jensen has been really good. He's been really supportive, not only through work but just my overall experience in Seattle. Like, he's been taking me to areas around here. He's taken me to the snow in Snoqualmie to go snowboarding, and he's provided a lot of support through work as well. So whenever I need assistance in terms of like scoping out my project, in terms of when things come up, blockers come up, he's always there to help me. I think a lot of the fundamental coding knowledge I've gained through Monash, I've been able to apply here. A lot of the design patterns I learned, I've been able to actually put it into practice, and also I've gained more knowledge.
The engineering students from Monash, I've been very impressed by their initiative because they kind of came in and just immediately got going. You know, they are super excited to be working here, and I think we were equivalently excited to be having them. I was an intern once myself, and so it just feels really nice to be able to like extend that from the other side and work with kind of the next generation of really smart people. I was surprised by their technical adeptness. You're just never really sure when you get a student, just what experience they've had before, how much they've paid attention in class, what they actually know. And I was pretty impressed by how much they did actually know and how quickly they picked up on things. You didn't have to spend a whole lot of time onboarding them because we could just explain kind of how the vehicle worked, and if they didn't quite understand it, they were more than willing to go off and do the research themselves.
I'm very thankful for the opportunity that the Monash Co-op program gave me to be able to fly across the world to Seattle and to work with such a great company like Amazon Primair. Yeah, I'm just very thankful for this opportunity.